The next step is to set up your account. Start by selecting any one broker from the available options. Click on the selected broker link to open their official website. Now, create your broker account by completing the required registration steps. Once your account is created, check your email for your MT5 account credentials. These credentials are essential to connect your trading account with the platform. Next, return to the platform and add your login details as CRM credentials. Set an account name for easy identification and enter your MT5 login credentials carefully. Once everything is filled correctly, click on the Submit button. And that's it. Your account will be successfully set up, and you'll be redirected to your dashboard, where you can track and manage all your trades.